What's up, Charlotte? It's that time again. It's time for our annual rail shutdown. From October 19th through October 21st, Blue Line and Gold Line service will be suspended as CATS performs its preventative maintenance. Let me give you some of the specifics. Beginning at 2 a.m. Saturday, October 19th through 4 a.m. Monday, October 21st, CATS Gold Line and Blue Line service will be suspended. Bus bridges will be in place during that time, and service will resume as normal at 5 a.m. Monday, October 21st. As always, this annual maintenance allows for our crews to perform the necessary improvements to the rail system to ensure that our riders can get about safely with no problems and no hiccups. If you have any questions, you can reach out to CATS customer service at 704-336-7433. Stay safe, and thanks for riding CATS.